how to use ChatGPT to write an essay without plagiarizing it. Now, if you're looking to use ChatGPT to write an essay and you want to avoid plagiarism, here's what we can do. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt for writing an essay without plagiarizing it. Now, here it will go and generate a prompt. This is the prompt that it has generated us, and in this prompt, we have given clear instructions of what we need or not, and we will ask the ChatGPT again using this prompt not to plagiarize our essay. Let's say here, let me just copy this. Let me just copy the whole prompt, and here, let me just put in a topic. For example, our topic is AI in 2025, and now ChatGPT will start writing that without plagiarizing it. And once it has done that, once it has written our essay, we can further go copy the content in the essay, go to Quillboard AI Humanizer, paste this right here, and click on Humanize button. Now it will rewrite this all and in a human-like writing. And that's how you can go and avoid plagiarism using this technique. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.